cutting eucalyptus. That's this stuff here. This is actually, this is still soft. It hasn't gotten hard yet because we just cut it down. Okay, so it's like that. You run the saw till it jams up because it coats the chain so much. These things will actually stop turning. Every so often I gotta find a different type of wood and run through it to get the stuff off. I've tried brushing it off. Maybe that's why they call it the gum tree. It just gums everything up so badly. Look at that. Yeah. I gotta brush this off to get it back on there, and I'll go cut something else and maybe it'll start working again. But it'll just flat jam up like the brakes on.